Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide reposts on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you have to just simply open up TikTok application on your mobile phone and make sure that you have used the latest version option. So in order to use the latest version, you guys have to just simply update your WhatsApp from Play Store. So after updating that, what you have to do is simply go to your profile by just tapping on below right corner of your profile. So by just tapping on that, now what you have to do is simply go to the repost section, which is right next to the private section. So you have to simply click on it. Here is the repost section. You guys can see here is the repost video. Everyone in my profile who can visit my profile can see the repost which I have made. So in order to make it hidden or in order to private this, what you have to do is simply follow me. So for that, you have to simply go to top right corner of three horizontal lines and simply open up settings and privacy. So in the settings and privacy, you have to just simply select privacy, and after in the privacy, you guys can see by just tapping on swiping up, you guys cannot even see any of the option which is like repost, and we guys can just simply change that to public or only me. So what you have to do is simply click on the top uh, first option, which is private account. So what you have to do is you have to just simply turn it on. So when you will make it turn it on, then what it can do is it can simply make your account to private. So whenever you make your account to private, your all videos will be only visible to those which you have followed or which you have accepted them. So only specific people on your profile which you have allowed them can visit your profile and also can see your repost videos as well as your own posts. So in order to make it hidden, you guys can just simply open up this private account option, and your account will be private and only few people will see your repost or your on post. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.